but I'm tested and vaccinated.
Senator, our board president and vice president, if you'll join us at the ribbon.
Chef Ham.
Chef Ham. And of course our Mayor Howard. Good to see you, Mayor Howard.
You gonna get stills? Yeah.
So this has been years in the making. Once a very thriving, successful program in the district. It fell into disrepair, interest was lost, and it's been part of the 2020 vision to revitalize and bring this art back to our students. Cooking is now something that everybody is into. It is one of the most professional opportunities for our children to enter into as an alternative to a traditional pathway to careers. We have so much interest in this program, and if it had not been for Senator Biaggi, this would not be happening. So let's give it. When she first started running, she said to me, "What do you need of me?" And I told her, and she delivered almost instantly. She has kept Mount Vernon on her radar. She has been our partner, and through a grant that she provided to us of $1 million, we were able to revitalize this program. And tonight what you are seeing is the children who have been in the program who now have a state-of-the-art facility that they can enjoy and experience, and when they leave this high school, be able to enter into the culinary arts with professional background and experience. Senator Biaggi.
It's so such a bright light and such a dark moment in time to be able to stand here, and it feels a little bit surreal peeking through, remembering the state that it was in, which was not good, just to remind everybody. But the transformation that has happened is so, I think, in line with just the moment that we're in, which is a moment to literally take the opportunity of everything falling apart and building from it. It's an opportunity to make the world work the way that we know it should work. And so to be able to have provided this grant in my first year being a state senator, and then to see it come to fruition, is just honestly remarkable. It's a gift and a privilege to be able to do it. I'm honored to be able to do it. I am so grateful to the superintendent, the entire administration, to the mayor, to everybody who made sure that we had all the pieces in place to make it happen. Because it doesn't just, take, oh, we're gonna sign this paper and off we go. There's so many people that are really part of the process. And so in my family, as an Italian American, food is love.
That's right.
And we need a lot of love right now in this moment. And so I think this is a perfect time for the kitchen to be done. And I'm just so grateful that all the children who have had a really hard year will be able to have this opportunity for them that not only maybe sparks the next, famous chef that we see on the Food Network, but also maybe gives them a passion for something that they'll be excited about as a hobby, right? Or something that just makes them or brings them closer to something else in their life that they love. Food is a magic weapon in a good way. And I'm humbled and I'm almost speechless, even though I'm clearly not, because I can't be. So anyway, thank you. I'm honored to be here. I'm excited to be able to cut the ribbon and to make this happen.
We will hear from our board president,
Yes,
vice
board
president, and then our honorable mayor must have some words, and then we'll cut the ribbon.
Okay, I won't belabor it. I just want to say this is a dream come true for those of us who visited this facility about 4 or 5 years ago and saw that there was still grease in the fryer. It was, as I said, when we spoke with you and accepted your generous grant and your help, whatever year that was, last year, the year before. It was as if this whole place had been just abandoned in the middle of the night and everything was left. And to see the vision come true, this is such a metaphor for what's happening all through the Mount Vernon City School District. And I'm just so pleased that people were able to come together, see the need, and do it with something that is, food is love, okay? I love food, and food is love, and we share food with people, and it's just a common denominator. So, like music, it's just something that's critical to our sustenance, to our lives. And I couldn't be happier. I'm so proud of all the hard work that the administration, the architects, everyone just worked so hard to get this done, and I think the result is absolutely fantastic, and I look forward to eating. And I can't thank Senator Biaggi enough for just coming to our aid at a time when we really needed it. So thank you very much.
Bravo.
Welcome. I just want to echo what President Miller just said. This is a long time coming. We've been waiting for to start the culinary arts program for at least 3 years. And this was on my platform to run, and hopefully we'll get some more programs up and running. But I'd like to thank Senator Biaggi and also Mayor Patterson and Dr. Hamilton and all the other trustees for helping make this happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes! I'm not vaccinated yet, but I'm negative, but I have on my mask. So I want to thank you so much, Dr. Hamilton, to President Miller, to Vice President Saunders, to our Senator Biaggi for funding. And I never miss an opportunity to say I'm a proud 1986 graduate of Mount Vernon High School. When I was here as a student, this was a thriving program. I went to school and graduated with individuals who went on to open their own restaurants, and then who were even recognized by the Westchester Business Council 40 Under 40 for the work and the professionalism and having thriving businesses, and it started here. Vocational education provides options, and the greatest thing that we can give to our young people to balance the playing field is a strong education and options for careers. And so I am definitely a supporter. I am a proponent of a vocational education. I had an opportunity to participate in the video production program here. So many of those who I went to school with here, those who took an academic track did well, and those who took a vocational track did well. So anything that we can do to help you look at expanding vocational education as another option for our young people. The academics are clear, they're important, because you have to have that math and that science and the numbers and the writing to be able to deal with contracts and run your company. But this is a strong education. We look forward to doing some farm to table ventures with you. This is a clear career track, whether they have serve safe, nutrition education classes. This is an important part of our now and an important part of our future. Congratulations to the board, the trustees, and the students will be the beneficiaries. And I look forward to catering something at City Hall or supporting an event and having the students from here prepare that meal. Thank you so much.
Always people in the shadows who make things happen. The mayor has been such a partner. Even before she was elected as mayor, she was a partner and supported me and this administration. But in the background, there are people who make it all happen. I want to acknowledge our facilities leader, Michael Policcio, our district architect, other members of our district administration, including Dr. BC, Dr. Gorman, Marcy Tiggs, just a plethora of people, Dr. Gail White-Wallace, who put this whole event together today. And I don't know how I let her rein me into doing this. I have been on my feet since 1 o'clock today. And of course, our business official, Ken Silver, and our new Dr. Jeanette Baubles. We just have an incredible team of people here. And I'd like to invite the trustees over now so that we can cut the ribbon. With us is Trustee Munoz Patterson, Trustee McGowan, Trustee Crump, Trustee Warren, and did I miss any trustee? Trustee TJ Turnquest. Please join us so we can cut the ribbon. And if you'd like to have an opportunity to say something, please feel free to do so. Like to say something, Trustee?
Enough speeches, let's eat.
Let's eat.
All right. All right. So let me tell you what's going on here tonight. We've been working. The kids asked me to put together a menu with them, and so we've made fried chicken, collard greens, macaroni and cheese, homemade rolls, candied sweet potatoes, and I'm exhausted. I thought once after I retired I would open a restaurant. I'm over it. This was enough for me. This was enough for me. So, without further ado, Madam President, Madam Vice President,
really sharp.
and Senator Biaggi, if we can get the cameras on the other side.
I've never seen it. Where did you get this from? My God.
Think big.
Yeah. Hey, that's right.
Mayor Howard, please.
Get in here.
I'm blocking.
All right, you ready?
Oh, there you go, Trustee Saunders. Good
Can you see me?
Sorry.
1,
Yeah.
2,
And 3. There we go.